everyone! Let's learn the names of some cute animals today. Koala, koala. Penguin, penguin. Panda, panda. Red panda, red panda. Squirrel, squirrel. Sloth, sloth. Raccoon, raccoon. Donkey, donkey. Hedgehog, hedgehog. Guinea pig, guinea pig. Persian cat, Persian cat. Alpaca, alpaca. Pomeranian dog, Pomeranian dog. Seal, seal. Otter, otter. Duck, duck. Rabbit, rabbit. Meerkat, meerkat. Fennec fox, fennec fox. Chinchilla, chinchilla. Capybara, capybara. Hamster, hamster. Sugar glider, sugar glider. Prairie dog, prairie dog. Lemur, lemur. Pika, pika. Goat, goat. Sheep, sheep. Quokka, quokka. Owl, owl. Sea otter, sea otter.